Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can open HTML project or any project using Visual Studio Code live server. So this is really simple. So first of all, here you can see an icon here. So you need to click on this icon, or you can also click Ctrl plus Shift plus X to click on this. So we'll just directly click on this. And then here you can see a search option. So in this search option, we are going to search for live server. And the first one here you can see live server is written here. So we'll just click on it and then you will see something like this. So here you can see the install button. Just click on install and it will take like a few seconds to install. And after installing this, you can just close it. Okay. So here I already have a HTML project open over here. So first of all, here we need to go to this view option. So here you can see the view option. Just click on the view option. Then here you can see command plate. Just click on command plate and then it will open something like this. So here just search for live server. And here you can see open with live server. Here you can see you can press Alt plus O to open the live server, and in order to stop the live server you need to press Alt plus L. So we'll just click over here, open with live server. If you click on it, and there you go, the HTML project open with live server. So how can we understand it open with live server? So here you can see we have an address over here. This address means we have our HTML project running on live server. So let me just make some changes over here. So whenever we make changes in the Visual Studio Code and save the file, it will automatically update the changes over here. So for example, here you can see the image. So let's just remove the image from here and we'll save it, Ctrl S, and there you go, the image automatically removed from here as well. So if you now again just keep the image source here in the code, then save it. Here you can see it refreshed and the image is back over here. So it means we are able to run our HTML file in the Visual Studio live server successfully. So I hope this tutorial was useful to you. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. I really appreciate that. And you are probably seeing 2 more videos on the screen. If you are interested, you can check them out. Thanks again for watching. I hope to see you in the future tutorials.